Hi everyone, welcome to Skint Living UK. My name's Kathy and today we're cooking mushroom omelette. So I've sliced up 3 mushrooms and fried them in a pan with a knob of butter, and I've also added from a bowl, I mixed up 3 eggs, 3 small eggs or 2 large ones with a big slosh of milk and thrown it in the pan. So it's been sizzling away for about a minute. So what I'm going to do now is put the pan under the grill so the top of it cooks well. So while that's cooking, I just wanted to show you the health benefits of mushrooms. So what's so great about mushrooms? Well, let's have a look. They have anti-inflammatory properties. So mushrooms are ranked as one of the top anti-inflammatory foods. So if you're suffering from heart disease or neurodegenerative diseases, that's the way to go. They may help diabetes prevention and treatment because they're low in calories, low in sugar. They quickly help you lower your blood sugar. Mushrooms help combat obesity, help improve blood pressure. So if you've got hypertension, which can cause heart disease and stroke, they're good to go. And they've also been proven to help reduce depression. So mushrooms are cheap at the moment. I think they're about 80p everywhere in Aldi and Asda. So they're a great little way of bulking out your meals. They have a meaty texture, so great for putting in omelettes, of course, with rice. What else do they do? Supports brain health, so it helps fend off cognitive impairment such as dementia, offers immune support, may help protect against cancer. Let's have a look at the nutrition of them. So low in calories, low in fat, low in carbohydrates, got some fibre, got some protein, and has some selenium. So why not make yourself a mushroom omelette today? It'll cost you less than £1 and it'll feed you. Or if you cut it in half, the kids can have half each and have it with some beans or with chips or both. I like it with some tomato. Be nice with a salad. So let's have a little check on our omelette, how we're doing. So it's starting to brown up. Let's give it another minute. So that way it crisps the top, so the bottom is cooked because you've had it in the pan, and the top will cook really nicely crispy. Let's turn the dial up a bit. I've got some tomato with mine. Here's some more stats on the mushrooms. So potassium, riboflavin, niacin, selenium and copper. It's really good for you. There's the risks. I think basically it's like rice. There's a little bit of arsenic in it, so you're best washing them before you eat. So there's nutrition. Okay, let's check on our omelette. I think that's good to go. So there you go, mushroom omelette, quick and affordable.